Alright, just to give you a little bit of motivation here, I am going to build a box similar to what we had on the uh, the original box that we had everyone build. As you can see, I've already started the timer in the lower right hand corner, and I'm already messing up. Let's just reset here. Alright, now some of the times that we've had from people have been anywhere from 35 minutes from beginners to 45 minutes to an hour and a half. There's been some crazy things. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you the very quick way to do things that's going to take that time from an hour and a half in some very extreme cases, or even 35 minutes, to a lot closer to 5 minutes. And I built the box over to my right in a similar fashion. So this is actually just my second attempt at seeing how quick I can do this with a little bit of practice. As far as putting this together, you could easily get this down to 2 or 3 minutes, as I'll show you here. I end up doing it in about 6 minutes. What I've done here is just making all my parts that I'm going to need. And as we're going to go into the next tutorial, I'm going to show you what exactly I'm doing into detail. But more or less, what I've done is I'm grouping all these together, as you'll see after I cut and paste everything. Like I said before, that's what I'm doing here. Is I'm just going and I'm making everything a group. What making everything a group is going to do is it keeps it from becoming a part of what it interacts with. There's a lot of times that when you first start using SketchUp and you make parts like this, and you'll try to move them around, or try to insert them into something or slide them along with something, you'll notice that the surfaces will actually stick. And what this does is making them into groups will prevent that from happening. You can actually move everything independent from one another by making it a group, and it makes it phenomenally easier to make parts, drawings, models, etc., etc. And it also allows you to move one part of your sketch separately from another part of your sketch, but we'll go into that a little bit later. This is merely just a real quick reference to show you how much faster something can be done. Typically, if I wanted to do this really quick, I would do my guidelines probably first. On the very first one that I made, the very first tube that I made, I'd put the 4-inch box around the bottom, 4-inch box around the top, and then I'd only have to do it once, and then I'd be able to put all these together. And like I said, if I did that, I probably would be able to get into the 3-minute range. A lot of my floundering that you'll see here is because I have um, the lack of some of the guidelines, so I just kind of move them into place until I can get them right. But I figured if I did this and I did it too quick, then I just might depress people. So this is nice because this is what I was shooting for, was right around 5 minutes, just to show you that it was possible. And just to save you some heartache, we'll just fast forward here a little bit so you don't have to watch the entire box. But timer's still going. Box is near complete. Just checking now to make sure that nothing is crooked, that the box is right. As you can see, it took me just under 6 minutes. So please watch the next video and we'll show you how to do it.